If you're new to Mozilla Spoke or even new to building with 3D models or 3D architecture, you may not be aware that walls, floors, ceilings, all that sort of stuff is normally one-sided with the texturing. So for example, here we have a building. Notice how inside of this building we have all these nice walls. Okay, we've got this nice floor, we've got this nice ceiling. All of these walls, the ceiling, and everything in here was created using the architecture kit. But watch this. So here we have a floor. If we navigate down to the bottom of the floor and look up, we're able to see like straight through the building. And so if you look around this building, you don't see any of the outsides of the walls. Now, some of these walls are double-sided. For example, we've got two sides on this wall. We've got this side and we've got this side. If I disable this side, notice how we can see straight through. But then if I come on this side, we can't see through. The reason behind that, one is with reducing like unnecessary processing. No need to process two sides if you only need one. Another thing is it gives you freedom. So for example, with this example right here with the wall, this building was created to keep people inside. No one's going to go outside, so there's no need to have a texture outside. But let's imagine that we did want people to come outside. Well, maybe instead of having a plaster wall, we wanted a brick wall. We would have to make that wall with that particular texture, but put it in the exact same spot. So I know that can be confusing to people starting out. You grab a wall and you think to yourself, if a person walks around it, everything will be fine. And then you learn that no, person walks around it, you can't see anything. That's the reason why. The textures start out most of the time being one-sided, not double-sided.